How to change language in Amazon Prime Video. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the language settings in Amazon Prime Video, whether you want to switch the audio language or change the subtitle language. I'll guide you through the steps. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon Prime Video app on your device or visit the Prime Video website on your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to access the content. Once you're on the home screen, browse through the library and select the video you want to watch. You can choose any movie or TV show to access the playback options. While the video is playing, tap on the screen or hover your mouse over it to reveal the playback controls. Look for the speech bubble icon or the audio and subtitles option, usually located at the bottom right corner of the player. When you click on that icon, a menu will appear showing available audio and subtitle options. You can choose your preferred audio language and subtitle language from the list provided. Select the language you want, and the changes will take effect immediately. Once you've made your selections, just close the menu and continue watching your video in your chosen language. If you want to change the language again, you can follow the same steps at any time. And that's how to change the language in Amazon Prime. It's a quick and easy process that enhances your viewing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.